Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the lock model and power requirements. 12V versus 24V matters because it determines the supply and fuse size. Once done, lay out the lock, power supply, connectors, and tools on a stable surface. Make sure to turn off power at the breaker and label existing wires so you can reconnect them accurately. This prevents mistakes later. Check the multimeter and strip 1/4 inch of insulation from each wire so connections are clean and secure before mounting. Now mount the lock into the door or frame per the manufacturer's template. Align carefully so the latch engages. Once mounted, route the wires through the frame and attach power, positive to the lock's plus terminal and negative to ground. Use crimped connectors or solder and heat shrink for reliability. If you're integrating with an access controller, connect the control signal to the relay or strike terminal, observing polarity and any diode orientation. Double-check torque on screws and that wiring is not pinched. With everything secured, restore power and test the lock using the controller and manual door cycles. You want to observe consistent lock/unlock action and listen for abnormal sounds. If it sticks, remove power immediately. Use a multimeter to confirm correct voltage at the lock and continuity on signal wires. Check the fuse and power supply current under load. If problems persist, inspect polarity, relay configuration, and physical alignment of the strike. One quick troubleshooting tip: swap to a known good power supply to isolate electrical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.